Okay, so many of you are aware that, yes, we do go through a lot of pasta here. Maybe some of you do as well. And I just want to go through some of the storage solutions I might have. Now, for fresh pasta that I make homemade, it has to either be refrigerated or frozen if I don't intend to eat it within 2 days or so. So that is not the pasta we're talking about here. Okay, so what I'm mainly discussing today is the hard, dry pasta that you pick up from the store. Okay, so if it's going to be stored long term, I just put these bags in a 5-gallon bucket as is. I don't open them. I don't really see any point in putting everything in jars. So I just put bags and bags into 5-gallon buckets, and I've got 2 or 3 of those going at any given time because we go through a lot of pasta here. And when I do open one up, I may put it in a 1-gallon jar, or you can put the leftover in a half-gallon jar, whatever size. Now I tend to find that once the pasta gets used up, I'll leave the leftovers in the smaller jars. And like here I have my elbows for mac and cheese, and this will just go right back into the 5-gallon bucket that I keep it stored in. And another way to store an open package actually is just to trim it down and put it through your vacuum seal. The heat seal will seal this package. I've learned that I can reseal open bags of chips, and that keeps it fresh. But so this, if I'm not going to use a lot of the pasta and I just want to keep it in the bag, that will work this home. And one of the ways I've stored pasta is just in their original bags in 5-gallon buckets. And I have all different kinds of pasta in this bag. So that is, and I just put a lid on and put it away. Hope you enjoyed this mini pasta storage video, and we'll catch you on the next one.